You must have done this pre-dinner ceremony when you go out to eat, /. When scalding tableware with hot water, I always feel more at ease when it is hot. It can remove harmful residues and disinfect and sterilize. / But is this really useful? / Before answering this question, we must first know what problems may occur with the tableware you use. / Whether it is the tableware taken from the disinfection cabinet of a roadside shop or the plastic-sealed tableware in a big restaurant, it must comply with the national food safety standards. / Each set of tableware must undergo 3 major steps: cleaning, disinfection and cleaning to remove grease and food residues, and kill bacteria and viruses. The requirements are very clear. But reality is often much more complex. Tableware that has gone through the 3 major steps of cleaning may still have problems such as detergent and microbial residues exceeding the standard. Detergent residue exceeds the standard occurs during the cleaning stage. The typical ingredient exceeding the standard is sodium dodecyl-benzonesulfonate, referred to as SDBS. When the tableware is not thoroughly cleaned, it will rest on the tableware. If it enters the human body with more than a certain accumulated dose, it will damage the digestive tract, immune system and blood components. Therefore, the state clearly stipulates that this ingredient cannot be detected in disinfected tableware. However, it can be seen from this document that weekly market inspections in Hunan, Anhui, Shandong and Guangdong have found that SDBS residues exceed the standard. Secondly, the problem of excessive microbial residues often occur during the disinfection and cleaning stages. Restaurants generally disinfect physically or chemically to kill regular customers such as E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus, but if the operation is not done properly, they will leave an opportunity to settle down on the tableware. For example, market sampling in Hunan Province and Anhui Province found that E. coli exceeded the standard in tableware. So can the hot spring bath we make for tableware solve these problems? Let's talk about the problem of detergent residue first. SDBS, the main component in detergent, is easily soluble in water, and the higher the water temperature, the more dissolved it. So theoretically, hot water can indeed remove detergent residue. But the reality is more complicated. Different tableware materials can use hot water to rinse away detergent residues. According to a study by East China University of Science and Technology, the smallest residue of detergent among tableware materials is stainless steel, followed by ceramics, while the most melamine-based tableware residues are the most serious. Melamine is a material that can especially adsorb detergents, and it is difficult to completely remove residues with hot water alone. If the detergent residue may not be removed with hot water, then is it possible that those microorganisms will be killed by hot water? Let's take a look at the heat resistance of these typical bacteria. Staphylococcus aureus needs to soak in 55 degrees Celsius water for 3 minutes before it dies, 90% of E. coli stays at 75 degrees for 1 minute before it can't stand it. Salmonella dies in large quantities at 55 to 60 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 minutes. From the above data, we can see that if you want to sterilize, you must have both temperature and time. The reality is that the temperature of the hot water provided by the restaurant is not high, and the moment you pour it into the bowl is still cooling down wildly, and the temperature remains unstoppable. Live. Let's look at the time we usually burn tableware for about 10 seconds, and we didn't even find the passing line to kill these bacteria. So is it useful to iron tableware? It may be of some use. It can wash away some detergent residues and also take away some microorganisms and dust. However, if you place the expectation of hygiene on the behavior of rinsing hot water, it is tantamount to using chewing gum to break the glass, which has limited effect. Instead of placing your health on this hot spring bath in just a few seconds, it is better to learn to choose a regular restaurant with a sanitary license and boldly ask for replacement when it encounters obvious dirt.